In this video, we are going to show you how to sign a consent form for your CIMEA application. First, you will log into the CIMEA, and on your home page in the left side of your screen, you will find a consent form tab. Click on it and you will find a document like this. Go ahead and download it, save it in a folder. After you have saved, go to another Google tab and search for Google Documents. Click on the first link. Now on this home page, click on this folder icon. Click on the upload option. Now upload the file that we saved, the consent form. Once the file opens in the Google Documents, click on Open With and select Documents Hub. Go ahead and sign in with your email address and give permissions. Now your file will be opened in this Google Documents Hub option. Here you can just input your name, your surname, and just check these both options and add in a date. Here you have an option to sign. Click on sign here and you will be prompted with 4 options. You can either draw or type your name, all are acceptable. I will show you how to draw. You can also just sign and scan and then upload that image of your signature. If you want to draw, you can just draw it like this. I just created a custom signature to show you. Save as default. And see, there is your signature. It has been uploaded. Now you can download this form and save it again. This is your signed consent form compared to the previous one that we saved. You can upload this to your CIMEA application and you are good to go. I opened the file to show you that it is signed now. It is in PDF format. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.